Meanwhile, positive COVID-19 cases are on the rise in northern Utah. Recent data showing the majority of cases are coming from teenagers and young adults. ABC4's northern Utah correspondent Jordan Verdadero spoke with epidemiologists to go over the data.
The Bear River Health Department is reporting just over 3,000 people with COVID-19.
As far as cases go in the Bear River Health District, about 60% of the cases right now and that have occurred in the past 2 weeks correspond to the 18 to 25 age category.
In the Weber Morgan Health District, there are over 4,000 positive cases, the majority coming from 25 to 44-year-olds. Those aged from 15 to 24 are following the lead.
And a little bit of increase in that age group between 15 to 24 years old, like we hear about seeing statewide as a trend as well.
Epidemiologists say where there are college campuses, there could be hotspots.
We knew that as we started back to school, we probably would see an increase of cases. They're more likely to have maybe sporting events or school groups or study clubs or something like that, whether that be a high schooler or whether that be a college-aged individual.
Bear River Health Department leaders say despite the increase in cases with young adults, cases remain leveled within the K through 12 age range.
We haven't seen an increase in incidence in that age group in spite of the increased case counts.
Health leaders say they're watching the rise in cases for a potential spike in hospitals.
In the following week or two after those cases are identified, potentially plan to see people needing to be hospitalized and maybe even be in intensive care.
Though there is currently no vaccine for COVID-19, health leaders encourage flu shots to prevent overwhelming healthcare systems in the next coming weeks.
As we get into the beginning of flu season coming up in the next week or two, a flu shot is going to be more important than ever this year.
Reminding people to continue to wear masks, social distance, use proper hygiene, and sanitize when possible. Reporting in Ogden, Jordan Verdadero, ABC4 News.